100 channels per week to support. And it's kind of random because I'm kind of like, scrolling, stop. So this one came up today, not long ago, and it was this one, and I saw this, and it's 12 hours showing here, and the time is, I'm still up this time, because I have odd hours. I think most of the time I'm up when most people are sleeping in my part of the town. So anyway, she said she needed 100 more watch hours, so I went ahead and played her channel. Okay, so it's pretty random. So many people out there, pretty cool people that you want to support. That's pretty good right there. Look at that. That's so gorgeous because I love orange. Okay, so anyway, these are a few of the ones that I selected. That one finished. And what I do is I play their entire channel. Now, if they have like, too many hours, like weeks and weeks, I try to take it in 2 parts and try to play it all. But if it's going to take me a month or 2 weeks to play it, I usually just do the longest that they have. So these are the ones I just did today, tonight, this morning, whatever. And they're not the only ones, but they're the ones that I've done. I don't know why it does that. That's some weird stuff. So this one finished playing, but it shows nothing there. So let me close it. Let me do this. I think. See, the bar is showing that it's completed there. I'm just curious. We'll see. We'll come back and see if that finished. Okay. Actually select people's playlists. Now, I usually just play people's playlists on a regular. I just, they have a list of people that I just play. But I always like to add in new people, so, because everybody needs a little support. So this is what I do. Don't laugh. Let me see. This is what I'll do. Let me see if I can get it to do it first. This may, let me see. Here's my mouse. This is what I do. Hold on. But I have to wait till they all come in, right? So they, I have to give it a little chance like this. And I'll go, this is ridiculous, really. I'm going to have to use the Wheel of Fortune thing that I saw on Greta Loves to Share. She had the Wheel of Fortune thing. So let me see if I can. So I'll go like this. Let's see. And I won't look. It's not, okay. And then wherever it lands, the gray. So it'll be Art Club. Yeah, this is crazy. So then I'll go like this. See, it's not on the gray, so I have to do it again. And see, Craftalicious. So that's how I choose whose playlist I'm going to play. But I try to keep scrolling all the way down. I do try to make sure they are dedicated supporters. Somebody that's constantly commenting, stuff like that. If it's a first-time person, sometimes I'll do it. Oh, the other thing I forgot to do. No, that's it. Because I meant to turn off the filter to show all, but I did already. So let me see. See, that's how it does it. Just scroll it. This is really corny. I just realized how silly this is. So I'm going to probably try to get that Wheel of Fortune. And see, it's so weird that the people that are popping up in the gray are the majority who are actually getting shout outs, and also I'm playing their playlists. So it's kind of weird. But anyway, that may mean I need to change up how I do it. Let me do it one more time and see what happens. Hold on. This is really ridiculous. Hold on, let me try to do it again. Oh, it's still. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, no, I can't. I'm going to have to get a new plan. Okay, all right. Bye.
Channel, hey, what's up?
Oh, shout out to Naomi.
That Wheel of Fortune is looking good.
It sure is.
I like that game. I ain't never got to play it yet in a real casino yet, but everybody saying hi to each other. Yeah, Naomi had an awesome stream on Wednesday. You guys gotta check it out.
That's good.
I know Moody showed up. Moody was there. She was loving it.
So, you see, this house, it's not a normal house.
Shout out per video. And then someone let me know that they weren't included in the last shout out video. And I can't please everybody, you know, not even my own family, so and friends. So I mean, I may try to just do one to see how it goes, but then, you know, knowing me, I'll add and keep adding like I'm doing my shout out video now. And it's taken forever just for the part that I am doing, which is what you're watching now, and that's the playlist. So it's taken a long time just to get the playlists that are almost completed in there. And I think I have one more that's not going to complete. I think it's K Renee. You just love supporting people. Great family. You guys should check her out. Such a great family. But anyway, you find yourself just wanting to support everybody, and you just can't do that. You can't. So you have to do a little bit. So what I normally do is, and they don't know it, is I'll just find, oops, that's an accident. I'll find a, I do have a list, but then I just copy and paste the person's name and move it to the side because as you can hear, again, my laptop is running hot, and I'll just, make sure I play them. Right now, I'm just making sure that these people know that I've seen the video, and that I want to acknowledge the fact that I've seen, that I've seen it. So that's kind of what I do. But anyway, I'm thinking about doing one shout out, and I just don't want to do it. If someone is already complaining that I didn't include them in the first video, the first shout out, and this is not my first shout out. I think the person who even said it, I've already included them in a shout out, and and given them many places in my end card. So I'll have to look into that. She is blind and passionate in baking and cooking. Thank you. Okay. Let's just look at that real quick. All right, let me just. Okay, make sure. See, it's running hot. Okay. Let me go ahead and end this before my laptop explodes. Okay.
Hey guys, it's your girl Shay. Yes, I am back with another video.
Playing their channel playlist, and some are quite long, so I may not finish them in time for this is pretty good on this one, the end of this video, because I was hoping to post it sooner than now. Let's see. That one's at 104, not bad. Oops. No. Go to each one. Might as well share this. This is what I normally do. I may have already shown you guys this, but I do try to share each video, which I have been told to stop being like that. Quit doing that. So it's kind of like a habit. Okay, I can hear my laptop running hot, which is why I'm going to have to stop. That one finished. Okay, those are 4 that I'm. Oh, well, I need to close them. They're messing up with my video here. This one's at 25. They're pretty long, so. Mostly lives, I believe. I think I'm off 103, and that's not bad. So you can probably hear my laptop, which is why I'm going to have to stop them. Okay, go ahead and stop it now. And this is the update. Okay.
I have to tell the Lord thank you. Crystal says, I'm thankful that I'm still processing my blessings as well as my loss, trying to live my best life. I'm thankful with you on that one.
Hello guys, this is your girl Destiny. I am back because today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I have a test, a quiz. And I'm going to give you 5 questions. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a self-reflection test. You're going to need this. It's a journal. We are journaling. We're going to need a journal and a pen.
We made it on our sunset cruise.
Hey guys!
We made it on the cruise, and so right now I'm sitting on this little guy.
Just give me a little bit of space. Yeah, that's good.
Let's see what happens.
I'll just be clearing some lines and you guys.
Channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking another video. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking another video. Thank you.
Hey B, thank you for coming in. Hey Coco, tell them how you doing. I'm just showing everybody what I have been working on because I have a store now. And this is sunflower.
I've been editing the video to try to make everything fit in and not too long. I actually had to cut the video short because it was getting too long because I was trying to squeeze in a lot of shout outs. So anyway, this is where we are right now. And these take the longest because look at how long they are to play. So, and then here. And so I'm going to just stop here and include these in the video. And that will be the end of this shout out. You guys take care.